Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you have the proper Microsoft 365 subscription and your admin has enabled recording for your team, then you can record any Teams meeting to capture audio, video, and screen sharing. People from another organization or company, guest users, and anonymous users cannot record meetings or calls. Note that depending on your location, there may be legal requirements regarding the recording of meetings and calls. Be sure to know these rules before recording. To begin recording, click the More Actions ellipsis in the Meeting Controls toolbar and select Start Recording from the menu. Everyone in the meeting will receive a notification that the recording has started. Recording will continue even if the person who began the meeting leaves. Once everyone leaves the meeting, the recording will stop automatically. If someone forgets to leave the meeting, the recording will stop automatically after 4 hours. To manually stop recording, click the More Actions ellipsis in the Meeting Controls toolbar and select the Stop Recording command from the menu. Then click the Stop Recording button that appears to confirm. When you record a meeting in Teams, it's saved to either Stream or SharePoint or OneDrive, depending on your current Microsoft 365 settings. For older tenants, the video is saved to Stream. Newer tenants will save to either SharePoint for channel meetings or OneDrive for other types of meetings. If the meeting takes place in a channel, you can see the recording on the Posts tab of the channel, where you can click to open and play the recording. The recording is also stored in a Recordings folder on the Files tab of the channel. All channel participants will have permission to edit and view the recording. For meetings that don't take place in a channel, the recording will be stored in the Recordings folder in the OneDrive directory of the person who started the recording. A recording of the meeting will also show up in the Active Meetings chat conversation. To view it, click the Show Conversation button in the Meeting Controls toolbar to open the Meeting Chat pane. Once you locate a recording, you can then click the More Options ellipsis next to the recording in the pane to open it in Stream, SharePoint, or OneDrive, depending on the meeting location, download a copy of the recording, share the recording with others who might not have access, or get a link to the recording to send to others. Keep in mind that only the meeting organizer and meeting recorder can download or share the file. If you didn't organize or record the meeting, you can still share it. However, it will require the meeting organizer or recorder to approve your share request. Recordings can only be deleted by the person who recorded the meeting or anyone they assign as owners of the meeting. Meetings must be deleted in either Stream, OneDrive, or SharePoint and cannot be deleted from Teams.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.